In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money using the MoneyGram app. Whether you're new to MoneyGram or just need a refresher, following these steps will help you easily and efficiently receive money straight to your bank account or collect it in person. Let's walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to open the MoneyGram app on your smartphone. If you're not already logged into your account, go ahead and enter your credentials to get started. Once you're in the app, you'll see a dashboard with various options. For our purposes today, you'll be tapping on the option that says Receive Money. This will take you to the section where you can input the transaction details necessary for withdrawing your funds. Having your reference number handy is crucial at this point. This number is what allows the MoneyGram system to locate your specific transaction. Your sender should have provided this number, so double check any communication you've received or reach out to your sender if you don't have it yet. Once you have the reference number, enter it into the app along with your personal details, such as your name, and, when required, additional verification like a confirmation code. It's really important to make sure that this information matches exactly with what the sender provided to avoid any potential issues. Taking care to be accurate here can save you some headaches and delays down the line. With the details entered, you'll proceed to choose how you want to receive the money. You generally have two main options, either picking up the cash at a location or having it deposited directly into your bank account. If you decide to go for pickup, you'll receive the funds at a nearby MoneyGram agent location, and the app can even help you find the nearest convenient spots. On the other hand, if you prefer the money to be deposited directly into your bank account, select the bank deposit option. You might need to provide additional information such as your bank details if you haven't done this in previous transactions. Keep in mind that each method may have different processing timeframes, so consider this when making your choice. After selecting your preferred method, you'll move on to the confirmation step. Carefully review all the information you've entered to ensure everything is correct. Once you're confident that it's accurate, confirm the transaction within the app. Finally, it's time to collect your funds. If you opted for a bank deposit, the money should appear in your bank account according to the typical processing time for such transactions. If you chose to pick up the cash, you can head to the MoneyGram location with a valid ID to complete the process. There you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide on how to receive money using the MoneyGram app. By following these steps, you can manage your financial transactions with minimal hassle. Thank you for tuning in today. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out through the app's help section. Happy transactions.